Welcome friends. Today we are going to study the diversity topic and this topic is first topic of 6th standard in NCERT book and our country is diverse. It has various languages, various religion, various clans, creed, caste, profession, rituals, practices, meal and region. Diversity gives us a different identity. Like we start with the religion. Hindu religion has different practices. They go to temples, they profess some idols, they have some pujas like they have some Durga Puja, Holi, Diwali. And Muslim religion is a different religion. They pray to Allah, they go to mosques, they have different clothing patterns, they have different eating patterns. So and we are different in languages also. Like in India, almost 26 languages are widely known, and various small languages which has very small population uses that languages. There are so many. So we are different by languages also. We, we are diverse in tongue also, like same languages can be spoken in different ways. By clothing pattern, it depends upon the religion, it depends upon the region. People wear different clothes. Like in terms of profession is also a diversity. Like a small child can study and other small child cannot study because they don't have means. One child is going to school, another child is going to earn some livelihood, earn some bread for their family. So this is also one of diversity. We are different in rituals. Like if Hindu dies, they are put on funeral pyre, and if a Muslim dies, they are they put their dead in the graveyards. Similarly, they have different pattern for Christians. They also go to the graveyards, and different religion has different religious books. Based upon that, their people professes or they have some knowledge about their religion. We have different meal pattern. Like the region which is rich in product, like nearby Ganga, people uses different meal. Nearby Yamuna, people uses different meal. Nearby to sea, people uses different meal. One simple rice is cooked in various ways in India. Like people simply boil the rice, or they make pulao, they make biryanis, they make fried rice. Similarly, people are vegetarian, people are non-vegetarian. Some people eat meats, some people eat fishes. So there are different meals also. People are different by geographical region. Like in which geographical region they reside, they are different like that. Like a Bengali Muslim and Bengali Hindu are similar than to a Bengali Punjabi and Punjabi Muslim and a Punjabi Hindu or Sikh, because clothing pattern are same, languages are same, but they profess a different religion. Now we talk about the national anthem of India. National anthem of India was wrote by Kavivar Rabindranath Tagore, and this anthem says Punjab, Sindh, Gujarat, Maratha, Dravid, Utkal, Banga. These are all regions of India. Like Dravid is Karnataka, Utkal is Odisha, Banga is Bengal, Vindhya is Vindhyachal Pradesh, that is part of Madhya Pradesh and UP. Himachal is Himachal Pradesh. Yamuna means people residing nearby Yamuna. Ganga means people residing nearby Ganga. And Jaladhi Taranga. Jaladhi Taranga means the areas which are nearby the seashores. So India is a diverse country, and it is expressed by our national anthem also. Let's talk about Ladakh. Ladakh is a mountainous region, it is in northern part of India. It is a cold desert. People here, whether Hindu or Muslim, keep Pashmina goat, yak and cows. This Ladakh was trade route to Tibet, and goods like silk, carpet and spices were there traded through this route. This was gateway of Buddhism to Tibet also. Muslim religion reached here 400 years ago, and people here profess Buddhism and Muslim religion. Local versions of Tibetan national epic, that is named Kesar Saga, is performed and sung by both Muslim and Buddhist. So this is one region, and we talk about Kerala. Kerala is on seashore and mountainous area. This was like a trade center for India since ages. Arab traders, Jews used to come here for trade, and they took the spices from here to Mediterranean Sea. From Mediterranean Sea, the goods used to go to the Europe, and later on, Europeans found that